Navigating Istanbul Airport can be a daunting task for travelers with connecting flights. With its vast size and numerous terminals, it is easy to get lost or confused. However, Istanbul Airport offers a wide range of transfer services to make the process easier for passengers. One of the most popular transfer services at Istanbul Airport is the complimentary shuttle bus service. This service runs between terminals and makes it easy for passengers to transfer between flights without having to walk long distances. Another convenient option for travelers is the Meet and Assist service. This service provides travelers with a personal greeter who will assist them with navigating the airport, getting through security, and finding their next gate. For those looking for a more luxurious transfer experience, Istanbul Airport also offers private chauffeur services. Travelers can book a private car to take them from one terminal to another or to their final destination in Istanbul. Overall, Istanbul Airport provides a variety of transfer services to accommodate the needs of all travelers. By utilizing these services, passengers can navigate the airport smoothly and efficiently, ensuring a stress-free travel experience.